Hey y'all, Justin with Chicken and Biscuits, and guess what happened? Juliet finally gave birth. All right, we are Pyrenees grandparents, and we have some pretty exciting footage to share with y'all. So stick around, stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, that's right. Juliet had her puppies. We have 7, 4 girls, 3 boys, and what an experience that was. Kayla and I have never had puppies. We've never helped deliver puppies, and it was a really cool experience. Everything went well during the birthing process, and Juliet took to them very well. There's going to be another video out later. We did have an incident after the birth, 2 days after. A lot of y'all have seen that on social media, but I have not put the video together yet on that. So at the time that this is airing, it's just basically going to be video of the live birth and the puppies morning after and stuff like that. So with that said, the following video is graphic, and it might be kind of gross to some people who don't have a strong stomach. It is live birth of the puppies from Juliet, okay? It is going to be uncensored, and it'll just kind of give you a peek into, for one, how dogs give birth, and for two, like what we experienced, because we never experienced it either. So there's several people in the video. You have all of us on the farm, my mom, my dad. You have a friend, Shannon, that came over. She happened to be here while Juliet started giving birth, and she's a vet tech, so she helped for a couple of the first ones. My ex-wife and her husband were here, and all the boys. So we tried not to all be in there at the same time and give her, you know, her space, but honestly, it really didn't seem to bother her too much. You know, the puppies are gonna come, and she did great. So I tried to get almost all of it on video. I pretty much succeeded, but I might be missing some parts. So just viewer discretion advised, and this is Juliet giving birth. Hope you like it. All right, guys, tonight's the night. It's happening. we think that's it. We have 6, 4 girls and 2 boys. How does it feel to be Pyrenees grandparents?
Lovely.
All right, guys, so that was pretty cool, right? I mean, there were several things that went into it. All our hands were on deck to help. First experience, and it went really, really awesome. So like I said earlier in the video, there were some complications a couple days after birth, but that is going to be a totally separate video in itself. This is just a positive, upbeat, she had her puppies type of video, and just to document the experience that we had on the farm and all the kids and the family. So y'all just stay tuned for all the updates on her. The current updates are on social media, Facebook and Instagram. You can follow us on those two. And y'all don't forget to check out the description below, because there's a link in there. And I know a lot of y'all are doing some online shopping. This doesn't cost you a penny more, but we might make a few pennies off of it. It'll still link you to your regular account, and anything you purchase off of that link helps us on the farm continue to create this content and videos and editing and all that. So y'all make sure y'all check that out. I know Christmas is right around the corner, and we would really appreciate it. And y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us, because you can't get the videos unless you do that. All right, so just make sure you hit that subscribe button, you hit the bell beside it so you get the notifications, and y'all follow along. We're glad to have you, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.